Starting off, taking a 4.5 millimeter hook, and then we are going to begin by making a slip knot like we always make in the beginning of our work. We're just going to make a slip knot, and we are going to chain 4. 1, we're going to chain 5 actually. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And then we are going to go inside that first chain, and then we are just going to pull our continuing yarn, making a slip stitch. Okay, just pull the continuing yarn and then pull it out of the last chain. There you go, you have your slip chain, forming it a circle, and then we are gonna yarn over, and we are going to start make double crochet inside our circle. All right, first we are going to start off with chaining 4, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then we are going to start making double crochet. If you want, you can leave the tail behind, or you can walk over the tail. If you walk with the tail, it will be easier and your work will be clearer. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. So we're going to make 3 double crochet all together inside that circle. After completing our 3 double crochet in the circle, inside the circle, we're just going to yarn over twice in the hook because we are making a triple crochet. We go inside the circle, we pull through 2, we pull through 2, we pull through 2 again, making it a triple crochet. Alright, that was just a mistake. Alright, don't follow that, making it a triple crochet. So we will repeat this thrice until I come back. We're gonna do it thrice, so making it 4 times. 4 times you make this from the beginning, 3 double crochet and 1 triple crochet for the corners of the square. We have reached on the end of the row, so we are gonna just make a triple crochet. Alright, like I said, do it thrice. After making 3 double crochet and 1 triple crochet, you will follow that until you have 4 equal sides, because it's a square, remember. So I'm finishing off my row with my triple crochet and 3 double crochet, and then we already have our triple crochet here. That beginning chain, you can see that we did in the beginning of the row into the circle. So we're just gonna go inside chain number 3, and we are just gonna pull through the working yarn, go inside that chain 3, pull through the working yarn, and then pull through it, making a slip stitch. All right, we are going to begin our row 2. We are just going to chain 4 times, making it our triple crochet, first triple crochet, and then we are going to make 2 double crochet inside that very same stitch where we made that chain for triple crochet. and then we are going to make normal crochet next 3 stitches. One double crochet, 2 double crochet in the second stitch, third double crochet. Make sure to not lose that chains, all right, or else you might miss out your double crochet. Make sure to not lose the corners and the normal stitches. So we have reached the corner. I'm going to show you. You just go inside that corner and you make 2 double crochet inside that same stitch. It's a corner, remember. 2 double crochet. Okay, inside that same stitch we are going to make 1 triple crochet. Remember, it is a corner, so every corner will have 1 triple crochet, and then 2 double crochet again inside that very same stitch. Alright, we have it. So we are going to make 3 double crochet into our next 3 chains, and we are going to make our corners like I said, 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 2 double crochet for the corners. So we're going to close this row by making 2 double crochet into that very chain that we are making our slip stitch. Alright, I'm going to show it to you on your next row, but make sure to end your row with 2 extra double crochet. Okay, our row 3 we're going to chain 4 again, and then we are going to make 2 double crochet inside that very same stitch where we made the chain as our triple crochet. Making 2 double crochet inside that very same stitch where we made our chains, 4 chain. Alright, so after making 2 double crochet inside this very same stitch, we're going to make 7 normal double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And how are we going to end our corners? We're going to make our corners by just going inside that corner stitch and making 2 double crochet. One triple crochet into that very same stitch. Oops. And then 2 double crochet again into that very same stitch. That we are going to repeat by making 7 double crochet into 7 stitches, and then making the corners with 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochet until we reach the end. I'm going to show you what we are going to do. So we have almost reached our ending into our third row. We're going to end that row with making 2 double crochet into that very same stitch where we started off. Alright, where we made that chain 4. If it doesn't make sense, it is because we are finishing off the corner. Remember, 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 2 double crochet. So that is the reason we are doing that. And then into that same stitch, into the chain 3, we are going to insert our hook. We're going to insert a hook, and then we are going to pull through that working yarn and make a slip stitch, finishing off that row, and begin our row 4. And we are going to chain 4 for our 4th row. All right, to begin our 4th row, And I don't know why my camera was freezing. It could be because of too much of heat for the sunlight. It's getting really humid out here. And we're gonna make 2 double crochet into that very same stitch where we made that chain 4. It is as same as every row. It's just that the number of double crochets are increasing every row we go by. We're going to make 11 double crochet into the next 11 chains. In the previous row we made 7, this row we are making 11. So just make 11 double crochet for the next 11 stitches, and then the row is same as usual, but still I'm gonna show it to you for your ease. Make 11 double crochet, keep track of that double crochet, and make sure after making your 2 double crochet into the corners you don't miss out that chain. You begin right from there. Just because the double crochet is squeezing, that doesn't mean you leave the row. All right, so we're going to count and check if it's 11 double crochet or not. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. All right, so for the corners we're going to make 2 double crochet into that stitch, and then 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochet into that very same stitch. That is the pattern for corner. Remember guys, write it down, note it down if it makes easier for you. So we're going to make 2 double crochet into that corner for the corner stitch, and then we're going to make triple crochet into that very same stitch. Oops, I always do that. And then finishing off with 2 double crochet. One double crochet, 2 double crochet. We're done with that row corner. So 11 double crochet again into the next 11 stitches, and then the corner again, 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 2 double crochet. That is the pattern of the corner. If anyone in the comment box can write the timestamps, it would be really great of you. You would be a beautiful soul. Do that, go ahead. So we have reached our corner. Since we already have chain 4, so we are just gonna make 2 double crochet into that very same stitch where we have made our chain 4 to end the row. And then we are going to go into that same chain inside chain number 3, and we're going to make a slip stitch to finish off our work. Voila, we have our beautiful flat square coaster, we can call it, or granny square. Beautiful. Let me know in the comment box with regards to any recommendation or how you would make. Just simply chop it off this excess yarn, and you can use a darning needle to sew it on the back of your project. There you go, a beautiful flat granny square or a granny square coaster. So let me know in the comment box how you found this videos. Glad I could help out, and I'll be coming back with more videos. Enjoying these making shapes. Bye bye, tata, heart guys, take care.